Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be freaking eating because I'm hungry and I haven't had breakfast, even though I woke up at like 8:30, and it's like nearly 11. I have some freaking shumai with me right now. I guess you could call this a mukbang, like a Trisha Paytas style mukbang. I have them here. I have like 9 of them because I'm hungry. I already took a bite out of one of these because they're hecking good. Ow. My teeth hurt like so much because I was wearing my retainers last night after not wearing them for 5 ever. So, heck. They're pretty good. They remind me of my childhood. If you don't know what shumai is, it's just a Chinese dish. It's like a snack, but I'm filming this because I want to, and I'm lonely. So you guys are joining me today with my breakfast. So good morning, even though it's probably not morning for you. Oh my goodness, I just spilled LaCroix on myself. I think my mom made these, or my brother, or my sister. But my teeth hurt so badly I can't chew. You guys probably don't know like what ethnicity I am because I'm racially ambiguous. But I'm like part Filipino, part Chinese, part Indian, and part Spanish. So now you know. I think someone emailed me or DM'd me or texted me or something because my phone is blinking. But it's over there. It's too far. I'm not gonna get it. You know what's been stuck in my mind? Freaking Copacabana by Bear Manilow. At the Copacabana, they fell in love. So yesterday I filmed something and I realized that my teeth were so freaking crooked. So I've been wearing my retainers so I can keep my teeth straight. And now my teeth hurt like a lot, so yeah. Fun times. I'm hecking depressed. Because recently things have been happening. But I might make it into a different video. I know, talking about why I feel the way that I feel right now. But yeah. I think I'm gonna bleach bath my hair today. But I don't know, because I kind of like this color. So I don't know what to do. This video isn't like funny or anything, it's just like really chill. Not that my videos are ever funny, but like, I'm just saying, I just want to eat with someone. A lot of people hate LaCroix, but I freaking love LaCroix. It's so good. Not It's not like the taste of it is really good, it's more like the experience is really good. I like how the cans look, I like the fizziness, and I like a little hint of fruit. I used to not like LaCroix, but after I tried other flavors, I found the flavors that I liked. I started out with the pamplemousse, which is the grapefruit, and I didn't really like it. And then I tried other things, and I think my favorite is tangerine. It's really good. I have so many books. By the way, this is a patch I made. Gentle Human, like from the song My Glass Animal's Life Itself. Daddy was tough, said that I'd be something special, brought me a tub, but I was a gentle human. It took me 10 hours to make, but like, I made 3 of these. I made 3 patches, 3 or 4. And I don't know where they are. Like, I really don't know. I think I gave one away, and one of them, I don't know where it went, and the other one, I don't know if I finished. My teeth freaking hurt. Ow. Yesterday I hung out with Kiana and Noah, and my neck was hurting the whole entire day because, like, I slept wrong, I guess. It's like all better now. Like Gucci. When I woke up this morning, my sister was gone because she's been sleeping in my room for like 2 months maybe. And yeah, so that was a thing. I'm gonna deflate her airbed and pack it away until she comes back. Because you have no idea how much I like raw fish. Freaking raw tuna and raw salmon. I crave that stuff like all the time. Sushi is okay. I mean, like, I like it. But sashimi, like, so much better. Because, like, it's just straight up fish. But it's so expensive. Sadly. I put soy sauce on these puppies, by the way. And speaking of puppies, I have my dog watching me eat right now. Because what's new? I'm like so low energy right now. Just a lot of things have been going on. Oh, that wasn't in frame. That was my last bite. I grew up eating like a ton of different types of Asian food, and it makes typical American food like seem really bland. And it's a problem. Like, I don't even like In-N-Out. It's so freaking, it's just a burger. I live in California. You guys already know that. In-N-Out is not that good. I don't even like their fries. I don't know, like, I'm just not an In-N-Out person. I don't really like In-N-Out. It's like so overhyped. Like, everyone loves In-N-Out. Like, oh my goodness, California, In-N-Out. But it's not that good. I prefer Chick-fil-A. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I don't know what I'm gonna do this week. Probably just like walk around probably like visit a garden nursery like I used to, and just look at plants, or go to a library and look at books, read, or just look at things. Like, maybe I'll sew. I don't know. I was filming a cover the other day and I worked so hard on it, and when I went to edit the audio, my mic glitched. But I edited it anyways, exported it, and then edited the video, put them together, because I was like, it's okay, like I can still do this, like it's fine that the mic glitched, I'll be okay, like everything's fine. But no, I didn't end up posting it because the mic glitched, so all my hard work went to waste, or whatever. It's Bitches Broken Hearts by Billie Eilish. I mean, I'll still cover it, but I don't know anymore about that song. I have this pagoda, and I got it recently. I'm gonna be putting in Ableton Live 10's tank. Ableton for short. Ableton's tank. It's a pagoda. I ripped the fake plants off because I don't believe in fake plants. I like real plants. So I'm gonna rinse this and I'm gonna put in his tank today. No, actually, I'm gonna rinse this, clean his tank, change some of his water, and then put this in. There we go. My bun is in the pagoda now. I just want to talk to someone about how I feel. So maybe I'll talk to you guys about how I feel. Maybe later I'll film a different video once I do whatever the heck I'm doing today. Maybe at the end of the day I'll film a video talking about how I feel, because I want to talk about how I feel. And I only have like 2 friends, and one of them's like across the country, and the other one is like, I don't know, she's in summer school and stuff like that, and I don't really want to bother her. And her Wi-Fi turns off at like 10:30, so 10:30 p.m. I can't really talk to her that much because her Wi-Fi is gonna come out cut off, and usually I like talking during the night times. So maybe I'll film something today, me just like alone in my room, because that's how I'm finna be for this week, since my sister's gone. But it's okay. I started a new clip. I'm so sleepy and tired and depressed. I'm a zombie. Ow! Let's put the pagoda back here. There we go. So I guess I could put my retainers back in. But I also want to eat candy and pastries that we have in this house. So maybe I'm finna do that first, and then I'll put my retainers back in. Oh my goodness, guys, I need a hug. I need a fucking hug. I'm not okay. Yeah, I'm sorry for this video. I don't really have much to say. Do you guys like my hair color? I think I'm gonna bleach it. Like, whatever you say in the comments, it's not gonna reach me in time, because I'm probably gonna bleach this again today and make a video out of it or something. I don't know. You can see a teeny tiny bit of purplish blue up here. I kind of like it, but I'm like Danica Carabeo and I can never stop. So I'm gonna do what I was planning on doing. I'm gonna do a bleach bath or a bleach wash or a soap cap. It's like where you add shampoo into the bleach, and apparently it's safer. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna tone my hair. And then I'm gonna have like blonde hair, I guess. Or if that doesn't work out, I'm just gonna go dark green. I like green. Green hair was my favorite hair color. Oh my goodness, excuse me. Maybe I'll go to Starbucks today and buy a freaking cold brew so I could like wake up. I hate that. I don't like how I like coffee because I don't want to be addicted to coffee. So yeah. But maybe I'll go to Starbucks and get a freaking cold brew because maybe I'm too sad to live like this and I just need something in my life. I have 2 freaking big bags of semolina flour in my room because I've been making pasta. It's fun, tiring, but fun. Like my freaking muscles hurt after I make pasta because of all the kneading and all of the making the actual pasta shapes. Yeah, now I just have an abundance of dry pasta that I'm probably gonna throw out because I mean, I'm leaving, so no one's gonna eat them. They were supposed to be for someone, but like, goodbye everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully more poppy, uplifting. But this is my life and this is how I am sometimes, unfortunately. So yeah, it's just how it is. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, comment, like, ring the bell. Goodbye. I'll see ya. I don't want to leave because I honestly have nothing else to do. So okay, goodbye. Update. I know I ended the video, but I got me 3 of these. I'm gonna eat them all. Can't stop.